The other harbour was a Grand Harbour, so we'll do this harbour and we will return to the Grand Harbour. Ici, les soldats de notre port qui s'appelle Marsamche. On the right you can see a very pretty little town. This is called Tashbish, which in olden times used to be a fishing port. And now these villas, a lot of these villas have been transformed into embassies. In fact, the French embassy is here. Aquí se puede ver las villas muy preciosas que se llama Tashbish. Aquí muchas de estas casas están.
We're going back to Bellissimo.
So they have the red wine, MLO, and the Chardonnay white wine. And then they will bring in some food.
How is it? Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
This is how we look
We
like
just had our
after glass
wine tasting
white
section of the tour. It was good. Great experience.
sleepy now.
Thank you so much. Yes, you have to choose only one. And now Naomi looks terrible.
I'm so sleepy now. I have white wine